Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Before cooking, I'd like to ask you guys to leave questions in the comment section below because I'm going to make a Q&A video as you guys suggested. Just make sure you ask your questions below. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe, steamed bok choy and glass noodles. Bok choy in Chinese, qing cai. Let me show you the ingredients. I have 3 stalks of bok choy and I'm soaking just 1 bundle of bean thread, glass noodles, also known as vermicelli. And this one is made of mung bean powder, some of them made of potato starch. You can find at your grocery store, easily, right? Even bok choy, you can find at your grocery store or at your farmer's market. And I just soaked this about 10 minutes. And we have minced garlic, finely chopped green onions, and finely chopped carrot. Now let me just cut the bok choy. Just need to cut the end off, and then we just slice thinly like this. So I already washed the bok choy, of course, outside. After I cut it, we're going to wash again. A lot of times, like sand hide inside, right in between. Looks pretty clean, but I'm going to just wash a few times in the sink. We'll be back. Now my bok choy is all cleaned thoroughly. Let's assemble our dish this way. Okay, now we just add our glass noodles in the middle. So bok choy kind of like a bed, right? Now our glass noodles lying there on top. Now let's add our garlic. And white part of green onions. Now our carrots. Great color, right? Is that beautiful? Now we are ready to steam it. Water is boiling. Okay, we're going to cover it, cook about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, it's ready. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to garnish with green onions. And we'll dress with oyster sauce. About a tablespoon. For vegetarians, you can use soy sauce. Just add some water to dilute it. because oyster sauce is very savory and also a little bit salty. Mix well. And just drizzle on our noodles and bok choy. Simple like that, right? No oil, no salt, no stir frying. Steam it, right? Simple. And I'm ready to try it. Let me take some noodles. Some bok choy. Cheers. Garlicky, refreshing, delicious. Such simple dish, right? You can have as a side dish for dinner or just have this alone for lunch. Please make sure you guys ask a question in the comment section below for my Q&A video. And any question on your mind about me, about my channel, about my recipes. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.